Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm still your master Chris. Today's question is, what is the place value of 2 in 417.92? Solution. Remember from our previous class, I said how I read this is my left, my unit, my tens, my hundred, my right, my tenth, my hundred, my thousand. There's no thousand, so I won't put it. So they say, what is the place value of 2 here? From here, DP 9 2. We call it tenth. The next one, hundredth. The th stand hundredth. So therefore, the place value of 2 is hundredths. Is 100, or we say 2 over 100. The place value of 2 is 100, or 2 over 100. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, share, comment, hit the notification button below. Bye bye.